Racing just started while Elena Spiller was left behind. We have Gold Money, break quickly at the start, moving up on the outside, carry over, Sweet Julian is down on the inside, Panamera in the middle, then next on line is Black Label, Bachelor of Arts, exciting comes next, Flash Away, and a long way back to Elena Spiller, who's running at the tail of the field. And going along for the first turn, we have Gold Money, by our lane, Kenny Hop, and in second is with Jillian. 2 lengths further back in third comes Carry Over. Moving up on the outside is Black Label. Next on line is Panamera. Bachelor of Arts is down on the inside. Then followed by Exciting Flash Away Racing second last. And a long way back to Elena Spiller, who's still running at the tail of the field. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Gold Money by about 2 lengths. And in second, moving up down on the inside is Bachelor of Arts. Carry Over is on the outside third. Black Label, Panamera, Sweet Jillian, Flash Away, Exciting comes next. And they are now entering the home stretch. Gold Money by only a length, about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Bachelor of Arts. We have Bachelor of Arts now takes command. Gold Money drives back in second. Then on the outside, Carry Over. Bachelor of Arts, Carry Over is on the outside. And finally, it's Bachelor of Arts. Carry Over, Panamera, Gold Money, and Sweet Jillian for your Pentapecta.